Hello. In this lesson, we want to learn about the Design Explorer. As I told you before, Design Explorer is a dockable form. It's common to put it at left side of the graphical view like that. Being able to work with Design Explorer is an essential part to be able to work with PDMS. Design Explorer lets us to navigate between elements inside a particular database or between elements from different databases. For example, left click on this plus mark inside a stabilizer. For example, with the command qdb name, q space db name. Yes, as you see, zone equip belongs to database sample / this. This is the command report, command output. Okay, for another element, for example, site stil / template, zone stil underline template underline zone. With the command qdb name, double click on it and enter. As you see, this element belongs to database struct / template. This is the database name. Okay, clear. Okay, our command line is cleared. Do you remember that during our last lessons I told you about the Dobakan system? If you remember, when you start to work with PDMS, you want to run your software. First up, you need to select multiple database. Multiple database is a combination of databases that groups together and shape a multiple database. Design Explorer schematically shows you the multiple database that you have selected when you run your PDMS. This is the meaning of Dobakan system. Dobakan system is exclusive to AWEVA. As you see, all elements in the Design Explorer appears with their name. For example, for this element zone stil / template / zone excuse me, zone stil underline template underline zone, I will input the command q name. This is its name. In PDMS, we have the concept of claiming. Some databases in a real project are have the concept of claim, and if the claiming is from the type explicit, when a particular element claimed by a user, that element appears in bold dark text for all of the PDMS users. Let me see what's project we are in it. QProj. Okay, we are in project sample. In project sample we don't have explicit claiming, so I will go to project HEN, clearing the command line, and QProj. Okay, project Handy John HEN. Let me select a branch and add it to graphical view, walk to entire draw list. Okay, as you see, I selected one of the branch components and the command claim CE. Now the branch is in my claim. Okay, as you see, the branch name 1 inch dash FW dash 52004 dash B87 slash B1 is shown in bold dark text. Okay, about the claim list, I will completely explain for you in our next lessons. We will get back to project sample. Okay. As you see, Design Explorer have a utility for filtering. From this menu, for example, I will select the piping. If you check this box inside the Design Explorer, you only be able to see the piping elements, also all the different elements that are related to piping. For example, we will filter by piping. Okay, opening the Design Explorer. As you see, in the Design Explorer, we can see all piping element types. For example, inside the pipe, we see branch. Inside branch, we will see all the branch elements. But for example, inside the Zoom equip that belongs to equipments, we just can see the nozzles. All these nozzles are connected to piping. This is the filtering facility of Design Explorer. Okay, if you right click inside the Design Explorer, a pop-up menu will open for you. For example, let me right click on Zoom/pipes. Okay, this is the Design Explorer pop-up menu. I want to explain for you about these items one by one. First up is the 3D view. 3D view lets you to add different elements to your graphical view. It's very simple. As you see, adds the current element for you, add only add it, and add connected adds the selected elements with all the elements that connected to it. Add within volume adds the selected elements with all the elements those are connected to the selected element. Also remove and remove only, remove the element and remove only that element. Okay, for example, opening pipes and branch. 3D view, add. And 3D view, remove. The other branch. 3D view, this time add connected. As you see, the branch with another branch that connected to it added. 3D view, this time I want to select highlight. As you see, the branch 100/B/1/B2 is highlighted in red. If you want to change this color from the menu, settings, graphics, representation, color. As you see, the highlight color is red. Okay. 3D view and on highlight. Right click, 3D view and remove only. As you see, removes only the branch. Okay. In Design Explorer, we have a utility to copy and paste elements. Let me add this pipe completely at CE. Okay, pipe 100/PS/1 completely copied to graphical view. This pipe have 3 branches, and I want to copy one of the branches to another pipe. Copy and paste facility is only acts in one database. You can't copy, for example, one branch and paste it to another database with this facility. It's very simple. Left click on the element, hold the Ctrl K and drag and drop it to each pipe you want. For example, I want to put it in pipe 50/B/9. Okay, as you see, this item is a copy of the selected and copied element. I don't need this copy, so I will right click and delete. Okay. You may change settings of your Design Explorer from the menu Settings and Explorers. As you see, you have some different checkboxes in the Settings Explorer form. The first one is Auto Collapse Tree. If you check this item, when you select a particular element in Design Explorer as current element, automatically other parts of Design Explorer will collapse. Now this item is checked and okay. For example, I will open branch 100B9. Oh, such a long branch. Okay, when I select the civil zone, the branch and the zone pipe is automatically collapsed. Also, you have a checkbox for checking expand to current element. Okay, as you see, if I select, for example, something like a valve as current element, Design Explorer is automatically opens on that valve like that. This valve is V104. Also, about other facilities, Design Explorer, yes. You may check this box for nothing to see, for not to see the non-user system data, and show tube, yes. If you check this box, you will be able to see the tube elements inside the Design Explorer. If you don't check, you don't see the tubes. Also, the box at bottom of the form belongs to draft, drafting options. I don't need it. Okay guys, in our next lesson we want to learn about members list. That list is also very useful form.